Welcome to you, my children, in my educational channel Science Tutorial. And I think that you are in a good mood to study and you are ready to study. If you are doing all the units, I assure you that you are in good progress in mathematics. So today I will teach you the next part of simplification, that is in basic math 17, and you are watching here the question. This is in the series of tripod, that is 4 plus 1 by 2, and here is minus in denominator. You have to put here minus, not here. This will be wrong, so you have not to put here minus. You have to put minus in denominator in front of 2, and again 2 by 3, and here is plus in front of 3 by 4, here is minus in front of 4. You have to do this types of question, and this is very easy. Only you have to start function with the last 3 terms. Last 3 terms you are watching here. Last 3 terms is 4 minus 1 by 2, and this simplification is also very easy. Only you have to multiply 4 to 2, 4 2 is 8, and subtract 1, so you will find 7. So you can write 7 by 2. Here you are watching here that we simplify it the last 3, and we find 7 by 3, 7 by 2, and we have to function now again last 3. This is 3 by 7 by 2. This function is also easy. You have to multiply 3 and 2. 3 2 is 6, so you have to write only 6 by 7 to 8. Now go ahead for the next. You are watching here, we have written 6 by 7. Now again we have to do in the similar function on last 3. 7 3 is 21, and here you see sign plus, so we have to add 6 in 21, and we find 27 by 7. Now you can see in the next page 27 by 7. You are watching here, so you know we have to do the function on 2 by 27 by 7. You will find you have to multiply 2 to 7. You will find 14 by 27. Here you see 14 by 27. So we have to again do the function of last 3, that is 2 minus 14 by 27. We find 27 2 ja 54, and subtract 14, so we find 40 by 27. Now we have to function on it the last 3. 27 into 1, 27. You are watching here 27 by 40. You can see here clearly 27 by 40. Now at last you are also watching 4 plus 27 by 14. You can also do with it by 1, and after it LCM of denominators, but there is no need of it. Do the similar function that you break the improper function in simple fraction. So you do multiply 4 and 40, you will find 160, and add 27, you will find 187 by 40. If you bracket in mixed fraction, you will find for 27 by 40. So I think that you are you have understood this. No problem. These types of questions. So for the perfection, you should do all the similar questions. You are watching here. This is the easy AB, and one step is increased in this. In this also, I will request you that you should do all the questions for the perfection. This will give you great energy in mathematics, and I think that if you are watching all the units or the basic units, basic math units, I assure you that you are developing in mathematics, and this will give you a great energy to do. And I think that if you do at least 50, more than 50, this is I am continue these types of series, so you will find a good benefit from this series. Only you have to continue, and you have to be patient for some times, so that when your calculation will be perfect, you will find a lot of energy to do mathematics of your books. I will also cooperate you in the next basic math unit, and you should be ready for the next. Only you have to do the similar questions, I will request you. And I will also request you at last that if you like this, you should also share it, because this is my aim that this series should go to more and more children, so that I can cooperate the children in this you can this lockdown period, because they are away from your from their teachers. Whatever possible for me, I am ready to cooperate him. So subscribe it, like and share please. No, thanks. Thank you very much.